Good morning.
Perfect.
Yeah, I am so proud of myself for coming to the gym this morning. It has been a minute, so I'm feeling so good right now. I just know I'm about to have a good day. I made it to the gym. I made it to the gym. So I am done getting ready for work. I have one question though. So should I have my hair down for the day? What y'all think? Down? Down for the day? Or should I have it up in like a ponytail? Or should I have it up in a bun? Go ahead and drop it below which one y'all think. I have no idea. But all right, let me get finished because I want to go make some breakfast real quick and then head up to work. So Last thing I'm gonna put on is my little sweater. What y'all think? What you think? I do kind of feel like I'm somebody's secretary, just a little bit. Or like a librarian. What do you think I look like? I think I look like a librarian today. Yeah. What kind of coffee would you like this morning? That's how I feel. Hi, good morning. What can I do for you today? I'm feeling a little customer service-ish. You know, like at first I was thinking I'm cute, now I feel like I'm back working the front desk at a hotel. Is it the sweater? Is it the sweater? I'm cute, whatever. I'm getting in my head. I'm cute. I'm feeling good. I have energy this morning. Yes. I just feel like the electric slide just gets you moving in the morning, so. Alright, let's go cook and then go up to work. So I'm about to make me a quick toaster sandwich before I run up to work. But I don't want to smell like bacon or food, so I have to change my shirt really quickly. Hold on, because these lights, why do I have it on that setting? Can we just have regular lights? Because twinkling is like, you know? So. So y'all, I was just moving my camera and my ring light broke. So if the rest of this video is a little dark, I'm so sorry. I did order another one already and it should be dropped off tonight, so I might have to go pick that up tonight as well. But it's not one thing, it's another. Ooh, all right now. So I'm almost done with my bacon and I'm about to start packing my bag for lunch. So I'm taking taco soup today. That's already packed up. I just need to get like my nuts, my fruit, my vegetables, you know, everything I need for my water and all that good stuff. I'm making my bacon so pretty. Oh my goodness. So this week I do plan on getting back on a healthier path. I'm not ready to go back to being 100% vegan yet, but I am gonna slow up on the meat and all that dairy and stuff like that. I don't do much dairy, but I'm slow up on all of it. I'm just gonna take out some of this grease and use the rest to fry my eggs. Alright, so right now I am rushing, trying to get everything I need. So I have my lemon, my mint in here, cucumber for my water. I have strawberries and blueberries in here. I have my mixed nuts right here. Hot chocolate, because I don't drink coffee, I just love hot chocolate though. I'll just transfer these into a bowl when I get inside. Taco soup. I'm probably going to come back out to the van to eat this because I really do want some fresh chips with it. So we'll see. Okay, so I'm about to change back into my work shirt and head out. But I'm still like an hour early. I just want to get up there and set up and all that stuff super early. And then y'all, I actually just bought this. So I'm gonna start adding this in my water and see if it helps. Alright y'all, so I'm about to head up to work and I will see y'all a little later. Alright y'all, so I'm on lunch. I'm about to fry up my chips and thank goodness I saved my oil because I just knew I was gonna make some more and I didn't have anything else to put it in, so about to reuse this oil, trying to be less wasteful than I was before. I do not know if this was a good idea to come out here and eat this taco soup. Oh my god. Well, first off, let me just say, it is still so good. Oh my gosh. But y'all, okay, so it just started raining. When I first came out here the first time, it wasn't raining. Then I left my camera upstairs, had to go get it. Come back downstairs, y'all, it's raining. Now, normally this would be cool if I was not at work. It's a work day, so now I'm sleepy. I'm eating this food and I just know after I eat this I'm gonna be ready to go to sleep. So it might be the safest thing for me to do after I eat, just to get up and walk out of here. I can't get in the bed, I cannot lay down because it's gonna be a KO. I'm gonna be done. So it's so good. So good. And really quick, I want to give a huge shout out to Patrick. Thank you so much. I did get the gifts. Y'all, I'm so excited to show y'all these gifts. Thank you so much. Okay, y'all, and really quickly, I wanted to give a shout out to 2 people who got me something off my Amazon wish list, and I am so grateful. So I want to give a huge shout out to Patrick and a huge shout out to Christopher. Thank y'all so much. I did receive your packages. Patrick, I did open your packages. Thank you so much, because my other electric kettle, it picks when it wants to work. One day it will work, and then the next day it just won't. So thank you so much for replacing this. I'm so appreciative. Of course, this is the old one. This is not the new one. I have all that stuff in the back, so thank you so much, and I will be showing that on screen soon. Thank you. And Christopher, thank you so much. I did get all the packages. I was not able to open all of them yet, because I did want to save some and open the rest on the channel, but I am so excited about what I got, y'all. Just know it's going to be super secure in here. That's all I can say. But I do plan on showing y'all what he got in a few videos. Just give me a little time. I'm trying to set some stuff up. But again, huge shout out to y'all. Thank y'all so much for the gifts. Just give me hugs. Give me hugs. Thank y'all so much. About that time, y'all. My lunch is over. So I'm about to go back upstairs and work. Try not to fall asleep. And I will see y'all later. I am on my second workout of the day. I am done with work. After my walk, I'm about to go take another shower and head out. I'll see y'all when I'm done.
What's your name? Daniel Truman, sir. This isn't the military, Truman. You can drop the sir, but,
My van's shaking from the wind. Like, it's rocking a little bit. So, the wind is blowing extra hard. Y'all, I thought it was going to be cold all day. It was not cold. Not cold at all until I got off work. I was looking at the weather all day. It felt way hotter than what the weather said it was. I forgot what I think they said it was like 50, 60 degrees. Or maybe 50, 40, somewhere in there. It did not feel like that. To me, personally, it felt warm. As soon as I got off, though, it was raining. And I could kind of feel like the cold front coming through. It is officially here. Okay? Tonight is supposed to get down to 25 degrees. See, it's shaking right now. The van's shaking right now. Okay, this is about to be a rocky night. Yeah, it's supposed to get down to 25. I have propane. I'm at Walmart, so I might go get some more. It's only 7 o'clock, but I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm not gonna lie. I actually had to get up out the bed because I was just about to fall asleep as soon as I put that movie on. So I might run in Walmart to go get more propane, just, you know, just in case. I don't know. Actually, I think I'm going to take a little nap. Set my alarm and get up at like 8:30. I'm going to do that because I'm exhausted, y'all. I'm exhausted. This weather is taking me out. So, I have propane, but I'm going to go buy some more just to be safe. Make sure I'm extra warm in here tonight. Definitely putting that Mr. Buddy out. Yeah.
All my power banks are charged, so that's pretty good. The only thing is I don't want to use my little heater with it, which would probably be the best idea. It pulls so much energy, so I don't want that to die halfway through the night. You know what I mean? Oh, we moving for real. It's shaking for real. Oh. We make sure this is tight. Hold on now. The wind is whistling. Oh yeah, it's cold. I could feel like it's getting colder by the second, I feel like. All right, thank y'all so much for chilling with me today. I'm exhausted. I'm about to go take a nap. Hopefully I get back up, y'all. I'm gonna try to take a nap, but I might be down for the count. I'm not sure. Again, thank y'all so much for chilling with me today, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.